Hi, my name is John Platt with USA Industries. I'm a sales rep and product specialist, and today we're going to be discussing the Snap-It installation and removal kit. But before we get into the inner workings of the kit, we need to address safety. You need to make sure you have all your proper PPE available when using the installation and removal kit, such as proper eyewear, gloves, and steel-toe boots. Now let's get into the inner workings of the Snap-It installation and removal kit. First thing you're going to see when you open the kit is the Snap-It instruction manual. The manual is going to have all the steps required for performing near-in installation, as well as far-in, and also known as through-the-tube plugging. It'll have the pressure ratings for through-the-tube plugging and much more. If the manual is not in the kit, you can also go to www.usaindustries.com and download the manual from there. Directly beneath the manual is going to be your plug positioners. Plug positioners are utilized to position the plug as well as keep it centered for installation. They're going to be all wrapped in plastic. One thing to know, if you're renting a kit, anything that's wrapped in plastic and is returned opened is now becoming a purchased item. The kit's going to have all the plug positioners that USA Industries manufactures and sells. Directly above the plug positioners is your hydraulic ram puller. The ram puller is utilized for installing the plug and also comes with a safety cable. The safety cable is used to make sure that there is adequate safety when installing the plug, so yourself or no one else is harmed during the process. Next to the ram puller is your hydraulic foot pump. The hydraulic foot pump is used to activate the ram puller, has the foot press, also has a decompression press to deactivate the ram puller, and this is where you're going to hook up your air. If you do not have adequate air, it will not be able to activate the ram puller and install the plug. Up here is also a pressure gauge. The pressure gauge will be utilized for through the tube or far end plugging. The kit also comes with an air drill or pistol drill. This is going to be utilized with the brush kits. The brush kits are used to clean out the ID of the tube and or tube sheet, and they are sold separately at USA Industries. This hose here is used to connect the ram puller and the hydraulic foot pump. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect everything together. That is the first shelf of the Snap-It installation and removal kit. And your second shelf, you're going to see the Snap-It removal tools, such as the removal spears and slide hammer. There's also your near-end pull rods and your depth stops. The kit will come with 9 Snap-It removal spears, size 1 to size 9. You need to make sure you're using the correct removal spear for the plug that you are removing from the tube and or tube sheet. Later, I will show you how to make sure you're using the correct removal spear. The removal spear goes onto the end of the slide hammer. In a later video, I'll show you how to connect it to the removal spear and remove a Snap-It plug. As I mentioned earlier, it also comes with near-end pull rods. 3 near-end pull rods that come with this kit, size 1, size 2, and size 3. And you need to make sure you're using the correct size Snap-It plug with the correct near-end pull rod assembly. There's also 3 size depth stops, size 1, size 2, and size 3. They go with the same corresponding pull rod, channel head pull rod, or also extension rods for far end or through the tube plugging. Channel head pull rods and extension rods for far end or through the tube plugging can be purchased separately at USA Industries. That is everything that's included in the inner workings of the Snap-It installation and removal kit. In the next video, we're going to put everything together and install a Snap-It plug.